Presenting an absolutely stunning Torrens Title duplex with luxurious comfort and privacy. Hi, my name is Jonio from Palo Property, and I'm excited to show you this wonderful family home located in one of the most sought-after pockets of Rydalmere. Let's take a look. This home features generous proportions, spread over 2 levels, 3 upstairs bedrooms with a master bedroom, and 2 downstairs bedrooms with another master bedroom and multiple living area, which is ideal for growing family. Apart from the space, what I think most people would also love about this property has been a private backyard with beautiful hedges, and also undercover alfresco area with built-in barbecue settings, which are perfect for family entertainment all year round. Extra features are 4-zone fully ducted air conditioning, plantation shutters, also recent renovation and additional upstairs bedroom, a rumpus room with a kitchenette and deluxe skylight, and plenty of storage space. This property is ready for family to move in straight and unpack their bags, enjoy living at the beautiful home straight away. After walking through this property, you can feel the quality and eye for detail on every part of the property, which promise this home will give you the comfortable and convenient family lifestyle which you never want to replace. If there are any further questions, please feel free to give me a call. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at the next open home.